Alright, it's your boy. Okay, Thursday, March 7, 2024. Thursday. And let's analyze the US 100 first. Monthly. Which one's cleaner? Let's look weekly. Okay. Just like before, we have sell-side liquidity ran right there. Price will try to push higher as we are in a buy program. This is the signature. We also have this bullish order block. And then of course our buy-side liquidity is up there. This should be the target. Go daily. What do I see? We see this leg rebalance, this fair value gap. This should be a strong low. We don't want this low breaking. You can see that it's not break. Price did not break this low. It made a lower high. So let's see what else we have. We have this fair value gap busy, which was inverse, but since we don't want price to take out this low, which it did, our bias is bullish. The fact that we had this busy inversed, right, and we rejected this level because this is the leg that rebalanced this fair value gap right there. We know that this low is strong and this was a fake out for shorts. People who shorted in this inverse will probably get taken out once we close above this range. So this inverse, this CB should be high probability. Yep, this CB will be high probability. Once we close above, I only want to see longs. This will trick. So the narrative is that we have this busy and price close below, closing that busy, probably reaching here, but we failed to take out this low. Why? Because this was an intermediate term low, and then price from this internal range rallies. Those people who shorted this inverse busy will have some sort of liquidity here, and if we see price moves and closes above this, it's a continuation up. Okay, now on 4 hour, just remove this path, swing the draw. Okay, 4 hour, we have this relative equal low, ran out. This was our strong low, so it has more bearing now. So some liquidity ran, price went up, making this an order block. I'd like to see some reaction there. We have this daily or weekly order block, then this is the 4 hour order block from this 2 consecutive down candle. We also have this fair value gap within that. I mean, take note of that. We have this equal high, relative equal high, and 4 hour. So that should be our closest drawn liquidity into this busy, into this CB. Do that busy, turn busy, this busy turns CB, get close to above, do that. But for now, our drawn liquidity at this point is this CB or BPR. So that's my game. Let's see. We have this inversed. So let's take note of that as well. CB turn busy. Could probably reach this high probability. H1. H1, I don't see anything here. We have this order block, which price already dipped into right here. This is our POI. Since price dip there already, we have this buy side liquidity target. We have this CB aligning. This CB aligning with this order block makes this a market maker buy model. And now we're gonna reach here very fast. So I'm gonna look for an entry, 15-minute entries. We have this fair value gap on there. So I'm gonna take note of this fair value gap. Okay, next we're gonna look for 5-minute. 5-minute, we have this fair value gap, and then we have this rebalance. This fair value gap. So this should be a strong low. If we enter right now, what's our stop? Stop will be here. Target 121. Let me check another one. We have this 1 minute. Okay, I don't see any busy. Check enter. I'm just gonna look for a fair value gap expansion up, and then I'll enter it right away. Now I'm just watching price to give me a bullish fair value gap so I can enter. Okay, now while we wait, let's analyze the USDCHF, USD Swiss. Why do I have this here? Oh, these are equal low, relative equal low. Check the note off. Okay, we have this fair value gap, CB. And then on the weekly, reacted off that really well. Have this order block. Order block. It should be blue. What else do I see? We have this bearish order block turn bullish. Those people who shorted this here, you should see some buy. But look at how price is respecting this CB. And this weekly CB and that monthly CB and this weekly bearish order block. So I think price, and then we have this Tuesday, Monday. on. Wait, so okay. We're still on a weekly. And weekly, I see this fair value gap from this day, 20 days backwards. We already took out this high. This is the shift, right? We took this. CB, bearish order block, and then price tries to react. We could try potentially target this up here, but we did already and rejected it. We also made a Tuesday high of the week in this candle, this weekly candle, so we're probably going to reach for this fair value gap next because it's in this range 20 days back. So the algorithm will try to take note of this low. We'll try to take note of this low, but most importantly this one should be our next draw, which is also in line with this order block. So very high probability price will want to reach there. Okay, we'll go daily. We could possibly look for bearish order block once price closed below this previous weekly low. Let me check on daily. Okay, on daily we have a bearish order block right there. Price reacted here, though it's not that clean. We are probably looking for this equal low next, because yesterday we tried long continuation model, but it failed because we had a BPR somewhere here. I'm gonna take note of this. What do I see here? We have this order block, which price is mitigating. We have this busy. Price had already sent that break that low already. This was an equal low. Price took that. So price could just probably go here. That's my draw. But on the daily, here this becomes a bullish order block. Think of this one. Bullish order block, bullish order block. No busy yet, just being patient. Okay, got a bearish order block, bearish order block, bearish order block, bullish order block. Maybe some fair value gap right there. Probably a breakaway gap. So I'm gonna reach here super fast next, so it's gonna be quick. 4 hour, we have this bearish order block. It reacted off it really well. Yep, I'm sure we'll reach this next. This will be the next draw. 9 o'clock, there's news. What news? Testimony. Okay. Testimony usually bearish last time, so this is going to be bearish as well. Maybe. No, it should be bullish. Why? Because because the Fed decides not to cut rates, therefore we should see an increase in the dollar. Maybe we're gonna take note, not this bearish order block, but this one is enough for me, because this is a higher time frame one, and it's also closer. Gotta remove this bullish order block because we just used that. Probably gonna go lower here. We could wait for this candle to close, or we could look for the 1 hour next. Okay, no busy yet. Okay, in 1 hour we have this fair value gap aligning with this bearish order block. Take note of that. expecting price to go here and then give us a reaction to sell side liquidity. Internal to external should be high probability. I don't see how we should be bullish in here because we already disrespected that bullish order block right in our time frame. And we're looking pretty much, we already also established a weekly, a Tuesday high of the week here. We took some loss there and there, but eventually we took some shorts which mitigate those two losses, because turns out Tuesday is the high of the week. Usually it is on FX pair, but on New York, I mean like index and stuff, usually New York session is the one who makes the high. As you can see at this point, it's 7 o'clock New York's Tuesday high of the week. So this is my 1 hour point of interest. We have this low resistance liquidity building up. Could probably reach into right there. It's clean. I want to see price go take that liquidity, rebalance this fair value gap in that bearish order block, and then slam down. I'll just take an entry right then and there. And risking this high should be appropriate. 2 to 1. Yep. What? Something like this. If we use the standard deviation, we have the 0.5 and 0.618. We are reacting off of that. Next would be the 1 and negative 1.5 retracement. This point is the most closest one to our draw, so I'm gonna use that. We should have enough resistance here to not push price higher. But I'm gonna look on 50 minutes now. The 50-minute, what I see. Yeah, let me check again. Do we have a busy? Not yet. Expecting 9:30 to give me some volatility, so I'm gonna take note of that. I'm waiting for a busy, either on US 500 or Nasdaq. This one I'm holding short. We have a lot of liquidity here, resting by stop, but resting equal highs. And this trend's too clean. I want to see price rips into that, tricking those player who thinks this is a breakout, and then gets slammed down to this support. Since we have this fair value gap right here, I think I can minimize that into this low of this 3 candle that made the fair value gap. Should give us like a good, really good RR. 4 to 1, so I really enjoy. Price took this liquidity. I don't want to see price moving above this fair value gap because it already has enough liquidity already. Shouldn't need to go. So I'm gonna take some market order. I mean sell limit here on this fair value gap. Selling. Wait, let me open the panel. do some sell. Stop loss 88098. I'm just gonna use this candles open. Closing price is 88100. So I like that institutional level. Limit risking $100 as usual. Let's sell it here. There we go. Wait. Okay, we got the price wrong. Sorry guys. What's the high of this candle? My bad. 88038. So this should be 8038. $100. Stop loss would be at this candle's up close candle close, which is 88100. So there we go. So this is my limit. Fed Chair Powell testimony is incoming at 10 o'clock. In here, I'm also expecting volatility to come at 9:30. There. So these are the money injection. We should see manipulation come in the marketplace. Then we use that for our short. I'm gonna close this one. There. Now we have the dollar and the dollar Swiss. Price is moving up while this one going down. Price is probably taking some liquidity, rebalance this CB of gap volume imbalance, I think. See some rejection. Overall bearish trend. This is good. Overall bearish trend, but we have some resting liquidity in a high volatile times, which will generate a lot of stop runs above highs. Especially we're now on London Kilson, London session, right? Okay, we'll go look for another busy. What's that? Okay. I'm looking for a busy. Forget a busy. I'm entering it in 1 minute right away. Market it. Get a busy there. 181228. Yeah, then risking $100 seven contract. Since price hit that 122, price is the low of this candle, 1811310. I can't. I need to market it. Okay. And what? We have this market structure shift, right? This is a bearish order box. CISD. Gotta buy. The draw should be simply this high. Consequent encroachment 2 to 1. Let's see. Take note that this dip right here did not close below here. We have this busy get closed. Yep, previous inverse fair value gap traders who sold here because we inverse that. Once we close above this range and then react to this bullish order block, that should be market maker buy model to this high. So stop at break even at this high. Why? Because this is the market maker buy model. This is the busy traders who shorted here because we closed like dodgy. For example, we're probably trying to target this low, right? But this is an intermediate term low. The price failed here, and we market structure shifted. CSD changed the delivery. Now those people who shorted here at this high is now made to be bullish because this down close candle's bullishness. We're gonna see price go to this external range because this is market maker buy model. Let me explain it like this. Yeah, gonna give some drawing. Those people, some people will short here, right? They will short there, and then those people who shorted here is now, this is a bearish order block. Those people shorted here now are mitigating their loss into bullishness. So this down close candle, once it go here, you're gonna see price supporting it to the upside. You can actually take another entry right here, but I'm trying to just use this contract, gaining experience. But this is clean price action. I love Nasdaq. Nothing there. Okay. This is their short trader here. Their short trader, and then we have trader who long here. Right, this candle, the bulk of it. See how it matches this left to the right side of the curve? That is the market maker buy model. We should see price holding here, then go higher. This low of this close candle also reacted off this busy, which we entered on. This is a rebalance, so I don't want to see price taking out this low. See how I supported there? Right at this candle's open, which is the bullish order block, and we get TP. Easy. On 9:30, I think. Oh no, just got that volatility. That's what I'm saying. Proof. Oh, screenshot. Why not? Okay, now that we have this displacement, I'm good. Look at this relative equal high into that BPR, I think. Check. Where is this? Oh, it's a SIBI. That's a SIBI. Okay. Now we're gonna look on USDCHF. We see that dynamic displacement, right? So most likely, since when Nasdaq goes up, dollar goes down, we should see price pressure going down here. I want to see price go up and then down. Since we're not moving that much, right? Probably need liquidity by taking this buy side out. Now we're waiting. This is my preferred entry, but if we go to a 5 minute, maybe we should see something. We're so close to draw. I still have that limit ready. What do I see here? It's too clean, bro. No fair value gap here whatsoever. No basic fair value gap. No displacement up, just price pushing down. This is strong high. We rebalance this CB. This is strong high because we rebalance this CB. This is a failure swing right here. So if we have a CB right here and then it gets inverse, then it will confirm that price wants to rebalance this fair value gap, and then we will short there to deliver price sell side. But if we don't close that CB once it's made, then probably gonna enter on 1 minute, just like the Nasdaq. It's gonna take watch here. We're still ahead 9:30. So if price decide to go below here for 9:30, that's cool with me. I wanna take note out 7. If price is gonna go down, we'll try to deliver price up for Judas, which it did here. But I prefer before the news, I wanna see price close above this into this fair value gap. So I take note on 8:30. Where's 8:30? 8:30 is here. So that's really great. This setup is good because we're above 8:30. I check Nasdaq. I didn't use that on Nasdaq. Yeah. So 8:30 on Nasdaq should be here. Respected that twice, so it's okay. Since I'm not day trading, it's like scalping, right? So this matters less, especially we already use it here. Price went below, taking sell side, goes to internal range, did not go to this CB and just holds there on our 8:30 opening, and then went lower. So that should be good enough. Take note of this BC CB there, so they know. So if the CB, take note of that as well. If we close below this 2 consecutive candle, we might have an entry, bearish order block entry to sell side. But we'll wait. And what made me, I think what made me really able to predict where price can go, I think the narrative as in real orders, right? Like in this one, I know once we inverse this busy, there's going to be some people who shorted here on the retracement on that busy, inverse busy. So another short player here. We also have this intermediate term low, those people who long this fair value gap right there. And since price didn't close below here, it supports that context we have of this low that rebounds the higher time fair value gap. That's going to deliver price to internal range fair value gap, higher time for fair value gap. So you have all that narrative, right? And then we see this signature where previous short people who short this inverse busy are now mitigating their position into long. That's a market maker buy model. Narrative is basically market maker models. You're using market maker technique, right? See how price moves above that. I wanna see the fib on that. Standard deviation. I haven't reached 1 though. Manipulation lag, maybe here. This one is reach. Check this one. There are people who shorted there, and now they mitigated their loss into long. Oh, look at that standard deviation, man. That is beautiful. It's right to the tick. Those people who short here, let's mitigate their short into longs, and look at that manipulation into this. Wow, that is precise, absolutely precise, algorithmic. Okay, so we see price closing below. This makes a bearish order block. Take note of that. The open. We have something H1, no, 15 minute. We change to 30 minutes now. 30 minute, we have this fair value gap. I mean bearish order block. Yeah. This one's obvious, but let's see. 50 minute, but price like went super high. I don't think this becomes an order block in some case. No, definitely not. If we do see price come up here, that'd be great. Not that convincing, yeah. Oh, we went up here to rebalance this CB, so that could be it. It rebalance that, and if we have another candle that doesn't break this candle's high, then it would still be good to go. It's a very short block. I like that. 5 minute, yeah. So I'm gonna wait 9:35. I'll wait until 9:35. Let's see what's up. Okay, looks like we're respecting that high. I like that. I'm gonna drop 1 minute now. Need to grab the mean. Okay, look at that, so precise. Okay, see price going down. Like that. Very love it. No busy here to react on. But I guess I'll take note of this high. That's my sell side liquidity. That is low sell side liquidity. Of course, this one as well. Okay, dropping down 1 minute. We have this busy. So if we inverse that, oof, that is beautiful. We have this busy right there. Price did inverse. It took out this intermediate term low. So I think price just came here to rebalance the CB. If we close above here, then probably gonna reach this gap. So I like this displacement. It's big. We are also on 930 now. Before 930 we could see price took liquidity, this relatively cool low, protecting this low. We're trying to go take this CB yet first, and then goes down rapidly. Here we don't have a lot of liquidity. Price doesn't have a lot of liquidity to go down here. It needs more liquidity. That's why it goes up. Take in more liquidity. And once it has that liquidity, which is around here, taking that much liquidity, we should see price dynamically go down, taking out this low, which price didn't have the energy to do so before. We're watching this high. If price does not break that, gives me another displacement lower, a CB. Oh, I'm in that. I like that, and I will be in that because that is a market maker sell model. We have this BC right here. We do make CB here. Inverse this low should be very high volatility, and if we hit that, we'll probably hit this low. If we hit all that, maybe price gonna go here, but I still think price will want to reach up there because this is too clean of a trend line. So we're gonna watch for displacement now. 1 minute displacement. Just want to see what's up here. Okay, we see price displace up. Probably gonna reach high here. We're gonna see sell side. CB. So bearish fair value gap come in. If we do see that, I'm in there. I'm bearish bias, as you know, because we thought that Monday was the low of the week, but turns out we had a major shift then in that volatile times. I think that was ISM and the Fed share testimony. So now my bias changed. I took a short that was profitable because I was flexible enough to change my bias into bearish, thinking in terms that perhaps Tuesday was the high of the week. Okay, but we have fair value gap here. We do. No. It's too small anyway. I like this type of fair value gap. We do have market structure shift here. If we close that gap, I will be just liquidity grab, right? That is a liquidity grab, absolutely love it. I'm just gonna wait here. Just waiting for a CB, or I don't think price will reach here at the moment. In this point, still 10 a.m. have time. We're still waiting. Displacement is all I need. Take note of this low right here, right? This low. It's right there. That's beautiful. Gotta wait. Look at that. Price dynamically. Do we have SMT here? Yeah, we don't have any SMT. We don't need SMT, man. We already know price gonna go up. We don't need SMT at all. Let's see. What do we have here? The price is trying to protect this low that rebounds this busy. We did have market structure shift. This is a breaker. Those people who went bearish. So up. I like take note of this. Okay, we're seeing some displacement. If 9:36 a.m. we see price closing this gap, and then make a CB. I'm gonna take that short to the sell side. Okay, we don't. There's a lot of indecision here, which I don't really like for sell side delivery right now. Gonna need more confirmation with displacement. The price really wants to go there right now instead of just taking that buy side liquidity first. 18 seconds left. If we get close above this down close candle, that makes it a bearish, bullish order block. This is good. I like this candle. It supported the idea that this is a swing, and we're probably gonna reach high up there. If we are gonna go up there, I wanna see price breaking this. Okay, price did break. So I don't think this is a market making buy model. So price will not reach here at the moment. Inverse that. Okay, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Yep, price gonna deliver to the upside. This is a double top. Relative equal high. So many liquidity, man. I like this displacement. New York kill zone. Oof. Should take that long, bro. I'll be aggressive. But this just feel high probability. I'm not gonna take it because I already have a short sitting there. Target would be 1 to 2, right? But I'm not gonna actually enter this because I'm bearish buys. I don't want to counter trend because price could just have enough liquidity and then go down. But this displacement doesn't look like it wants to go down. Yeah, we're taking this high. We're gonna take the buy side. Liquidity. We have no entry whatsoever here. This was the real market structure shift. This was the candle, the outside bar candle. This is beautiful. I love this pattern, outside bar. And that we also make this exposure block while in a market structure shift context. Oof. Overpowered. We also did not close this low that rebounds this fair value gap. Very beautiful. Yep, we took that buy side liquidity. Relative equal high double top. Now we also have low resistance liquidity into this. So okay. Easily. Wow, look at that, bro. But like I said, I didn't take this. But that was clean, bro. Very clean. Once we go here, trigger myself, and I'm gonna take the opposite. We felt that CB. I'm probably gonna have pressures to go down if we close this BC. If we price close this BC, then US Nasdaq will want to go down and the US will go up. Look at that delivery, man. That is beautiful. I love this one. This fair value gap, this one I trust it because we're at volatile times, right? Equity open 9:30. I wanted price to close this CB, which on the 1 minute it did here, but I wanted the hard time from CB to get close and then get me an entry on this BC, but price just rapidly moves up to take out this liquidity pool, maybe to rebalance it as well. I have my short ready for that. Yeah, we're obviously gonna hit that, man. Obviously. So I'm gonna watch price does now. We are now at premium 830s here. The daily range is above, so I guess we don't care. 830. Going with this now. I want the price to give me that CB, right? But it didn't. Instead, we have this market share shift and then this fair value gap that inverse this CB. So I know price is gonna reach up here, invalidating my lower time frame bearish buys here to take this sell side liquidity from here. But instead, we want to go up here to complete our sell order that we made before, just here in the 15-minute time frame. 4-to-1 trade. We're so close to 10 o'clock. I know we have this displacement up, so if it rips and take up my stop loss, that's okay, but I want to see price take that and then goes down rapidly, because 10 a.m. Jerome Powell yesterday testimony should push price lower. Yesterday US dollar went lower because of the news, the same news. See, but in my mind, that's why I'm okay if I take this loss, because basically he said that rate will not get cut, right? Basic dollar will try to rise, and if that's the case, 10 a.m. should rip off and then take out my stop loss. But if it didn't, we should see this 4-to-1 gets blossom, because we tricked this buy side liquidity, right? Because the dynamic move downwards. I put my stop loss on institutional level 8800, so that should be safe. Oh wait, 10 o'clock. Still one more candle left. That is perfect. One more candle, and then we're in. I didn't have any outside bar here. I like price on 10 a.m. to be volatile. Take out this candle, up close candle, buy side, and then it's sell side. Oof, that would be powerful. But if you don't get that, that's okay. I'm already up 2% on Nasdaq. This should hold though. I'm playing it aggressively because if I want to be safe, I like my stop loss here. Because this one rebalance that silly. But risk to reward, it will not be that good. Okay, risk to reward. Oh, it's still good actually. 3 to 1. It's a lot more safer as well. But I'm okay if I take the loss. So I like my first analysis is to have turtle soup, and we should see. Oof, that displacement, love it. That means there was concentration of liquidity pools here. I'll see SIBI go down. SIBI. But I'm playing turtle soup because we have this fair value gap right there. It shouldn't be broken because we already have this inducement. My god, that is clean. Did we take? We didn't get entry. The high of this candle is 88037. The high of this candle 88038. Wow, 1 point difference, bro. This one is 37. 1 point difference. Well, that's forex for you, man. Brokers have different pricings. On futures, they're usually very precise. If we miss this trade, that's okay. I'm already up. Like the 50-minute chart, but let's just see a 5-minute because we have this imbalance. Proofs this liquidity pool is valid. I want to see that gets closed. Just see quick movement down. This is so clean, bro. It's consolidation, manipulation, and sell-side delivery. Let's watch price. Still 12 more minutes before 10 a.m. news injection, money flow injection, volatility injection. Are we still recording? Yes, almost 1 hour. Perfect. Okay, our orders are in. Still 10 more minutes. The news not gonna make an indecision candle. Why? Because we really takes buy side liquidity. So I want to see price just rips down aggressively. It doesn't need to take my stop loss and then go down. If it's going down, then it will go down on that 10 a.m. It will not just on 10 a.m. it goes up here and then go down. No, definitely not. We already take this buy side liquidity. Logic is it's fair value gap will hold the stop loss. Even though it's aggressive, it is logical. Let me do some Pythagorean projection. The hypotenuse for profits. Look at that. Take me out, I don't care. Interesting, look at how the dollar's doing, right? The price of liquidity displays lower. Look at that displacement. Price really wanna go down. We have this fair CB. Price like made a swing high, probably gonna reach down there right away. While in this here we took that SIB in the higher time frame, we took price type liquidity, so that is very powerful. Very powerful. Because this one it rebalanced, while this one is TURTLESOUP. Oh my god. This short fail, man. Look at that sharp entry, bro. Five more minutes. 9:55. If we close below this busy, I'm sure price is going to rapidly go down here. There's going to be people probably bought here, right? Market structure shift. It's not a breaker, but oh, we do have breaker. That is a breaker. This up close candle is a breaker. And within this breaker, we have this busy. Price goes below this busy, of course, you can send down straight away, even though news will probably send price higher. Nope. If it closes below this busy, on news will not be able to push price higher. It will go straight down. I promise you. I promise you. That's the logic. $50 up. I put wrong lot size, I guess. But that's okay. Didn't check my lot size. Look at that dollar, man. Inverse that busy. Oh, we're going straight down, bro. We inverse this busy, respecting this SIBI. It's made a swing high, going to take sell side liquidity before 10 a.m. Or maybe on 10 a.m. and then straight up reverse. Who knows? Things can happen, buddy. Once dollar take out this low, I'm comfortable going break even. But before I go break even, I want to see this closing, preferably below this 8:30 candle. Not respecting like this. One more minute to go. If it could just displace over a bit like here, it'd be perfect. Maybe on the next candle, who knows? Just be patient. Timing wise, 17 seconds. Come on, close below this green line, the 8:30 opening price. That should be good. 10 seconds left. Come on, fight it, fight it. We need to trick this people who long into taking shorts, to mitigating their long to shorts. Okay, that's enough, I guess. I don't know. Just see some price lower. Wanna trick those buyers into shorting, making this external, internal, external market maker sell. We do have this relative equal low. Boom. Note price here is almost reaching draw. Let's see a close below this candle as we hit. Okay, we hit that. We also hit that, I think, almost. That's good. TURTLESOUP is confirmed. 3 minutes left. We close below this busy. Market maker sell is confirmed to take this low. Relative equal lows. If it does close below here, I'm comfortable going BE. Actually, this is already enough as long as we stay bearish here for views. Straight up just gonna put my stop loss to EE, or at least on this upper fair value gap. Reducing my risk, but still letting some room to breathe, because you'll never know. Volatility could probably take some highs, right? But I will respect this, because we'll only take the model will either TURTLESOUP or rebalance. If this volatility injection will probably, if worst scenario takes this TURTLESOUP again, it will not bypass this gap. Look at that candle. No, I don't like that. Still 2 minutes left though. I'm gonna still reduce my risk, because we already have that, right? I use that on the up close candle here. 35k. Is that enough? Put it here on this very short block. Opening price. There. So half. Looks like an indecision. Comfortable there. 2 minutes left. This indecision means volatility in one direction. You should see if we continue make this small doji, see price violently rips off either to the upside downside. Okay, no, it doesn't. Just go up. But I use this order block. I don't want price taking out this fair value gap. So this should be if we lose this one, this should be a negative 0.5 R. We won't call this 1 R anymore, right? Because we reduce the risk. Let's see. Okay, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Let's see what price does. I look and watch Powell's speech, but stay consistent. Maybe I'll watch it later, because it's the same news as before. Testimony.
accepted my risk. That stop loss is my mental and both logic stop loss. I want to see price make a swing high here, because it could just be a rebalance to the CB. We'll take note, we also have SMT here on this turtle soup. The market structure shifted, breaker block here. This one turtle soup bearish. This is very logical. Stop loss. One hour. Gonna stop at 11, and if we don't hit TP, then I will give you updates tomorrow. TP should be here. Price take this low, I will put my stop loss at this swing high that rebalanced the CB, making our I think this is 1 hour. Let me check. 1 hour is here, so gonna take some profit off at half. So if we do get break even, it will not be break even but a positive 0.5 R. So it's like this, right? 0.5. This swing high. I don't want to see price going back here if we take this low. I want a price ripped into this before 11. If we do make swing high though. Not a lot of volatility, because I guess it's expected. Jerome already told us what his viewpoint were previous day. Just to reconfirm, I think I'm gonna watch this one maybe later after this session. Tomorrow maybe. I'll watch the recording or something. Site delivery. The thing I love about TURTLESOUP is that we have very little to no drawdown. That's TURTLESOUP. Still 3 minutes left. If we have this swing high, then it should be a high probability intermediate term high that rebalance this. CB. BPR. Those who long here, we close this BC, that will further confirm. If we take out this low right there, this will confirm and will mitigate those people who long on this candle on their retracement in that BC to go short. Second stage redistribution on this small time frame. External, internal, external. Market maker sell model. Once we do that, we will push price higher to this low again, completing the bigger market maker sell model. Okay, so we're gonna wait. Why am I using this low specifically? I forgot. You know what? I'm gonna go check it. We have a lot of time anyway. But we have this relatively cool low. On the context that we have a Tuesday high of the week, this order block will be useless. Especially that we didn't have any reaction. We did have one here, and price break it, breaking the intermediate term low. This is a more significant shift. We're gonna hit this relatively cool high that we previously thought was from time of day, guys. Time of day, time then price helps you. Let's go wait. We're waiting. The Nasdaq. Take note, we took the swing high. Potential swing high. So, see. Okay, see some downward pressure on those 4 minutes. Price action is not looking good here. Reacted off this bullish order block. See that? This is also breaker. We are respecting this breaker. Could just be a trick though. Maybe taking this buy side liquidity and then go down aggressively. This could be TURTLESOUP. This could be a relatively high into this fair value gap. Taking more liquidity because we didn't have that displacement, right? We did have displacement coming in, but no displacement coming out. So maybe there's new position up here that price wants to take out. They go lower aggressively. But if we do have a close below this low, then that will invalidate that breaker. Let's give us some stalemate in terms of bullish or bearish sentiment until we close above here, below here. Then we would see aggressive price action, or if price turtlesup this high, either price turtlesup this high or close below this BC. That should produce movements. Okay, 2 minutes left. If we have price a bearish candle after 2 minutes, then this will confirm swing high that rebalance this city still. Wanted to have 4R. Why? Because like there's a lot of liquidity here on overall bearish, so oof, very powerful. 4R, I'm comfortable with that. Very comfortable. One minute left. Okay, price close, making the swing high. I don't want this swing high gets broken. If it gets broken, then this should be easy target. We close below here, displacement down. Draw. We're consolidating here. I don't really like that. I don't really like it. Set the BE. Yeah, I'm gonna set the BE. This doesn't look too clean now. So BE should be right there. I'm gonna set break even, because if we turtle soup with this much displacement into this turtle soup, I wanna see price aggressively go lower, not consolidate. If it consolidates, then we're probably gonna reach to this high, and I'm not sure if we are going to hold this fair value gap. So I'm gonna go break even here. In consolidation, price will expand direction. Alright, we already manipulate this consolidation. So price either takes up or goes down. If it looks like it wants to go up here, that's why I set my stop at break even. Wait, we have it. Do we have the stop loss? 88038. Okay, we're exactly on it. So stop loss at break even. Because if price breaks above here, probably closing in this gap, right? But if we close this busy, taking out this sell-side liquidity, probably gonna go down, making this relative equal low. You have two relative equal high, relative equal low. The price looks like it wants to go up here, but if we manage to have an expansion after this consolidation, and then that expansion is a bearish, big bearish candle, close this busy, and I will feel really good that price is going to reach here next. So till then, we'll wait, bro. We'll wait. Going to watch a movie while I wait. Okay. looking at price action. Oh, look at that bearish candle on 10:30. I remembered someone said that 10:50 is a macro, so we should see some volatility at 11. We don't have that then. This trade's taking too long and have this volatility. I don't see price expand before 11. If we don't get that, then not sure here. Going to watch Dawn of the Planet of the Apes. I'm already break even, and then if we inverse this busy, gotta take note of this. Dodgy, YouTuber, dodgy. Let's extend it out like that. Once we get it close below that, dodgy will enter short, and if we take out this low, dodgy will set break even right there. So yeah, dodgy straight will be like close here, up, down, maybe here, then max retracement here. This is dodgy's model, CB. See it playing out right now. Aggressive entry using logic is working out great, guys. Yep, I'm going sell side now. You know what? Where's my stop loss? I can set it to here. 88010. 8800. I like this. 8800. Modified there. That is a 0.5 plus, so we will at least get a 0.5 reward in here, and this is logically will not get taken. This is high in premium. See price here, market structure shifted into premium OTE, expands. This is consolidation as well. This equilibrium, which is this upper inverse fair value gap, will not get broken. So as we close here, wait time, 3 minutes left, and then we want to see price go retest this, that goes down, take out this sell side liquidity quickly, and then this finally. Once price go here, I'm gonna see a retest, and then we could use that retest on this fair value gap and that inverse busy as our trailing stop loss, because that will be in a premium, right? Expands, retrace premium into that inverse busy and SIBI. Some price lower easily, man. We're taking home wins today. 4-hour wins, bro. Okay, I'm gonna watch. This SIBI, displacement down. ICT will enter here probably, this short, while Dodgy using this inverse busy, take that short there. There's high probability any retracement here should lock them and then send price lower. So once we see that, I'm comfortable putting my stop loss here and then wait it out till price take out our objective. Once we go here, we can probably take something off, but I'm gonna wait price to go lower. But realistically, we should take profit. Always take partials, right? With 2 objectives, so I'm gonna take half here, which we take sell side liquidity, because we got retrace, right? I'm gonna take half once we complete this market maker sell right here. Yeah.
Okay, we took sell side. Gotta take some off. How?
Buying it back, right?
60k, gotta take off 25. This was a sell, gotta take back. Buy here. Okay, secured some profit. $45. Look at this. I respected the inverse busy. I'm gonna remove this. Can't read price. Okay, we have this SIBI. We rebalance it into this would walk, then hit our walk. They'll need to. We have this inverse busy. We're 11 already.
Here's 12. 1050 macro, just like we said. Twelve is my max. B. So long. Look at that. We inverse this. We're gonna take this buy side, which means the dollar takes sell side. Going to leave this part now. Let's just save this one. Gotta chill, guys. I'll wait. show.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Profit hit. Gotta pause the movie. Let's go. Let's go. Very nice. That felt good, bro. 1 to 4. Alright, that's all for today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So today we have a total of 4R plus, well, technically that's a 3R, right? Because we took partials. 3R, okay, let's just say 3R plus 2R on ES, so 5R.